In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to make the base of the Trammel toy part. So you can see I have my first sketch created with my measurements. I'm going to extrude this, and we're going to make a new component. And this is going to be the thickness of my material. And then on the back side of this, I want to make the bottom part of the base. So I'm going to call this part, just double click on it, you can change the text. When you make bigger assemblies, you're going to want to get used to naming things. So I'm going to call this the top base. And now I'm going to create a new sketch, and I'm going to outline it with a rectangle. And I want to use the existing geometry to make sure my holes line up. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to create and project. And I'm going to project the circles that also have holes or hexagons in the bottom part. All right, so you can see they're highlighted in blue. Those are the ones that I want to use. So then I'm going to go ahead and create the geometry that I'm looking for using the centers of those holes. So I'll be able to do that here. Using my measurements and making sure that the centers line up. So when it comes to making the hexagon, you'll notice that I can go to polygon, and with the measurement that I have, the easier measurement to take with the dial caliper is going to be going from edge to edge. So if you're doing that, we'll use the circumscribed polygon. And then as I drag across, my measurement is going to be 0.422. All the way across, and you'll notice that the dimensions are radius. So I'm going to do divided by 2. All right, so there's my measurement, 0.422 divided by 2, because I use the dial caliper to measure all the way across. And then I'll do the same thing for the others. Once you have that all in place, and it looks the way you want it to look, go ahead and hit Finish Sketch. And then this is what you're going to be extruding for the bottom part. So I'm going to click Extrude, and I want to make sure that I don't include the circles that are not a part of this bottom base, or the rectangles. And I want this not to join, but I want it to be a new component because this is a separate piece of material. We'll call this the bottom base. And that's it.